Hey everyone! In this video, we're diving into the world of engineering, but not just in general. We're going to break down the top 10 engineering disciplines, what kind of work they do, how in demand they are for the future, and of course, how much they get paid. If you're thinking about studying engineering but aren't sure which branch is right for you, this video will give you a clear picture to help you decide. Let's get into it. Number 10, Civil Engineering. Civil engineers are the ones who build the world around us, from skyscrapers and bridges to roads, dams, canals, and water systems. They handle infrastructure projects that keep cities running smoothly. Typical job roles include structural engineer, transportation engineer, environmental engineer, water resource engineer. Briefcase outlook. Fourth most studied engineering discipline in the U.S. Demand projected to grow 7% by 2031. Starting salary, $73,901. Average salary, $97,380. Number 9, Mechanical Engineering. Mechanical engineers work with anything that moves: engines, machines, vehicles, robotics, and heating/cooling systems. They're involved in everything from designing car engines to improving manufacturing processes. Career options: mechanical design engineer, thermal engineer, systems engineer, HVAC engineer. Briefcase outlook. Most studied engineering discipline in the U.S. Demand expected to grow 2% by 2031. Starting salary, $75,400. Average salary, $100,820. Number 8, Industrial Engineering. Industrial engineers focus on efficiency. They optimize systems, processes, and data flow in manufacturing and other industries. If you're into streamlining operations and working with big data, this is a solid field. Job roles include process engineer, quality engineer, continuous improvement engineer. Briefcase outlook. Eighth most studied discipline. Demand growing 10% by 2031. Starting salary, $63,840. Average salary, $98,560. Number 7, Materials Engineering. These engineers work on the development and improvement of materials like metals, plastics, composites, and semiconductors, often at the atomic level. They're essential in industries like tech, aerospace, and manufacturing. Career options: metallurgical engineer, composites engineer, semiconductor engineer. Briefcase outlook. 10th most studied discipline. 6% job growth by 2031. Starting salary, $75,992. Average salary, $105,420. Number 6, Electrical Engineering. Electrical engineers are involved in power systems, electronics, RF communication, and automation. From designing circuitry in your phone to managing power grids, this field is incredibly diverse. Common roles: power engineer, controls engineer, PCB engineer, RF engineer. Briefcase outlook. Third most studied. Demand up 3% by 2031. Starting salary, $77,023. Average salary, $114,050. Number 5, Biomedical Engineering. Biomedical engineers sit at the intersection of engineering and healthcare. They design medical devices, prosthetics, diagnostic tools, and even nanorobots for drug delivery. If you're into both tech and medicine, this one's for you. Jobs include bioinstrumentation engineer, genetic engineer, biomechanical engineer. Briefcase outlook. 7th most studied. Demand growing 7% by 2031. Starting salary, $65,321. Average salary, $108,060. Number 4, Aerospace Engineering. Aerospace engineers develop and test aircraft, spacecraft, rockets, and drones. They're experts in aerodynamics, propulsion, and fluid mechanics, and play a big role in national defense and space tech. Careers: aeronautical engineer, astronautical engineer, aircraft systems engineer. Briefcase outlook: ninth most studied discipline. 6% growth by 2031. Starting salary, $80,502. Average salary, $127,090. Number 3, computer engineering. This is where hardware meets software. Computer engineers develop microchips, processors, embedded systems, and sometimes even code. They work in areas like robotics, machine learning, and networking. Job options: hardware engineer, embedded systems developer, machine learning engineer, network engineer. Briefcase outlook: sixth most studied. 6% growth by 2031. Starting salary, $99,584. Average salary, $140,830. Number 2, chemical engineering. Chemical engineers transform raw materials into usable products, food, fuel, plastics, and pharmaceuticals. Their work spans across energy, biotech, mining, and even environmental solutions. Possible careers: process engineer, petroleum engineer, manufacturing engineer. Briefcase outlook: fifth most studied discipline. Demand growing 14% by 2031. Starting salary, $82,190. Average salary, $117,820. Number 1, computer science. And at number 1, computer science. CS grads design software, build apps, develop AI systems, analyze data, and secure digital systems. They shape the way we interact with every piece of tech in our lives. Career roles: software developer, web developer, cybersecurity engineer, AI or ML engineer. Briefcase outlook: second most studied discipline. 25% projected growth by 2031, the highest on this list. Starting salary, $99,618. Average salary, $132,930. White heavy checkmark. Final thoughts. That was a lot of info, but I hope it gave you some clarity. When it comes to choosing an engineering field, there's really no wrong choice. The key is to pick something you're genuinely interested in. That said, salary, job demand, and future outlook should definitely factor into your decision. All the data here came from the Bureau of Labor Statistics and Salary.com, so you know it's legit. Backhand index pointing right. If you're serious about succeeding in engineering or STEM, check out my book in the description. It's helped thousands of students improve their mindset, study habits, and performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know which engineering discipline you're most interested in. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep up the good work.